Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will show you how to register on AliExpress. So for this I will use my browsing system. I need to go to official website of AliExpress. This is aliexpress.com, and at the top you should look for men icon, tap it, and now we see two options: to sign in or register. Tap register button, and now we can decide what exactly you want to use to register. It could be email or a phone number, so enter it in this field and then tap continue button, or you can use quick access, so it could be Google, Facebook, X and Apple. I will use my Google account, select your account, and boom, you are signed into your account, as you can see. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.